Open or short circuit of the temperature sensor. Malfunction conditions. If the sampling voltage is lower than 0.06 volts or higher than 4.94 volts, the LED will display the failure. This failure may be caused by wiring mistake, faulty sensor, and faulty PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in the figure. This is T1 indoor room temperature sensor. This is T2 evaporator coil temperature sensor. This is T2B indoor unit coil outlet temperature sensor. This is T3 condenser temperature sensor. This is T4 outdoor ambient temperature sensor. This is T5 compressor discharge temperature sensor. After checking the connection, measure the resistance value of the sensor. Checking the resistance value according to the characteristic table. If the value is abnormal, replace the sensor. If the value is normal, replace the main PCB.